Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Today I'm going to show you a lovely recipe which is the Peshawari style chicken kadhai. For that, I've already kept a vessel to heat. I'm going to heat some oil in this, about half a cup of oil. The oil is nice and hot. Let's fry the chicken. I have taken 1 kg of chicken over here. The chicken is almost done. I'm going to get this out now and keep it aside. Now in the same oil, I'm going to add a teaspoon of ginger paste and a teaspoon of garlic paste and fry it till the raw fragrance goes off. Now to this, I'm going to add 3 onions that I have sliced and I'm going to fry them nice and golden. Just to speeden up the process of frying the onions, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. The onions have turned golden. I'm going to add some pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Fry it. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. I'm going to add green chilies that I have slit, 6 of them. Mix this really well. I'm going to saute this for a minute and I'm going to add finely chopped fresh coriander. Mix this well. And now I'm going to add the chicken that we had fried. Mix this really well. I've kept the flame on a medium. I'm going to saute this chicken for another 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add 4 tomatoes that I have finely chopped. Mix it again for 2 to 3 minutes. Also I'm cooking this chicken in an iron kadhai, so the taste is going to be really nice. So if you also have an iron kadhai at home, use it for this recipe. Now what I'm going to do is cover this and cook it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes are done. I'm just going to quickly stir it once and then add a cup of water to this and cook it further. Just very little water, not even a cup. Half a cup is also enough. And I'm going to cover this and cook it further. Let us check the chicken now. It's smelling really nice. Now I'm going to add a little more pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. I'm going to squeeze half a lemon. Mix this well. We have already added salt in the beginning, but if you feel it is less, you can add a little more at this point. So just let me add a little salt. I'm going to sprinkle some more coriander leaves in this. I love using coriander in my cooking, so I'm going to add a little extra. And now I'm just going to cover this and cook it for 5 minutes. Let's check if the Peshawari style chicken kadhai is ready. Absolutely done. The chicken is cooked. The garam masala fragrance is all around here. Just going to mix it once. I'm going to shut the flame and I'm going to remove it in a serving bowl. I'm going to garnish this with some coriander, and our Kadhai chicken is ready. So I have given you a lovely recipe which can be tweaked also a little. We made it into a curry, but if you have guests and you want to serve something very exciting as a starter, you can make this into a nice thick roasted chicken as well. Instead of adding the water, you just let the chicken cook in its own juices and you'll have a wonderful starter ready to be served. This dish goes extremely well with a paratha and with some raita. So do try this dish and let me know. For such interesting recipes, subscribe to Get Curried.